Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create phone mockups. So what you are seeing on your screen right now is an example of the phone mockup that I am about. I will show you how to situate your video or image in a phone settings like this, right? So please, if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, do well to support me by subscribing, like, share and also comment. Now we'll be going to Canva because we'll be doing all of these things through our Canva app, right? Okay, let's go to Canva. Now I will first go to Play Store. So if you don't have a Canva account already, you can just go to your Play Store and search for Canva, and you can see. So mine is saying update here, but I won't be updating because I don't want this video to take a lot of time. So I will just go back and open my Canva, right? So once you open your Canva, this is how the home page looks like. So if you don't have a Canva account, just click on the profile side, enter your email and password, and you are good to go. Now you can create all of these things completely for free because I am using free version, Canva free version, and I am doing all of these things comfortably. So the next thing you have to do, you come to this search template and you type in phone mockups, right? Then you click on search. Now you can see a lot of phone mockups here. These are templates, so you can decide to choose any one of your choice, right? So let's just go with this particular one here. Let's go with this particular one here, right? So I will tap on it. And it will open. So let's allow the page to open very well. Now once the page has opened like this, the next thing you will do is to go to your the next thing you have to do is to go to your gallery. So you go to gallery to select either image or the video that you want to situate in this template, right? Now I'll select this particular video here. I'll click on add to page, right? Boom. Now you can see we are here already. Then you will tap on the center of this video in order to highlight this particular video. Then you hold the center and you act like you wanted to shift it. So you hold the center and you act like you want to shift it. Can you see how the thing is highlighted now? Then you release your hand, and as you can see now, the video has been added inside the template. Now I will be playing this video for you to see how it sounds. Okay, this is my ChatGPT, and I want to ask ChatGPT to analyze a particular token for me. So I'll be pasting it. I've copied it already. I'll just paste it here and I'll click on send. So ChatGPT said token age and market activities. Age 12 hours, extremely new and high risk, right? Market cap 19.5k, very low, any stage micro cap. Now as you can see, the video just played right now, and this is how you can actually do this. Now let's complete the editing by changing the background, in case you want to change the background to any color of your choice. But if you like this particular background, it is good to go. Now what you will do is you tap on the background, so that it will highlight. Then you shift. Can you see here now? You've shifted it to this color. I hope you can see the color side. So I'll tap on the color and I can decide to change to red. Can you see now? I can also decide to change to black, decide to change to any color of my choice, right? So that's just it for the sake of this video. Look at it. So now when you are done with changing of color and all of those things, you can now decide to export. So how do you export? You export by clicking this particular arrow. Then when you click here, you will see download. Then you click on download. Then you now download here, right? So now tap on download, and sometimes this takes a lot of time, so we won't be waiting for the whole download to complete. This is just the summary of the video, and please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also comment. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.